Hello everyone. Welcome to our course of Python for app development. In this class, we're going to learn a bit about what app development is with Python. So, what is app development with Python? App development with Python involves using Python programming language to create application. Python is a versatile language known for its simplicity and readability, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. Here's a brief overview of what app development with Python entails. 1. GUI libraries. Python provides several libraries for creating graphical user interfaces, which is GUI, such as Tkinter, PyQt, Pygame, and Kivy. Each library has its own strength and use cases. Tkinter, built-in library for basic GUIs. PyQt is advanced library for creating professional-grade application. Pygame is ideal for developing games and multimedia application. And Kivy is designed for multi-touch applications suitable for mobile and desktop apps. 2. Project setup involves installing necessary libraries and setting up the development environment. This typically includes creating virtual environments, managing dependencies, and configuring the project structure. 3. Layout design. Creating the structure of the app's interface using different layout managers. Layouts determine how widgets, buttons, labels, sliders, etc. are arranged on the screen. 4. Widgets. Widgets are the building blocks of GUIs. Python libraries provide various widgets to create interactive elements like buttons, text, inputs, sliders, and even more. 5. Event handling. Implementing functionality to respond to users' actions such as clicks, text input, and other interactions. This involves creating event handlers or callbacks that define what happens when a user interacts with the app. 6. Multi-screen application. Developing applications that consist of multiple screens or views, allowing user to navigate between different parts of the app. 7. Canvas and drawing. Using Canvas to draw shapes, lines, and other graphics, this is particularly useful for creating custom graphics and animation. 8. Animations. Implementing animations to enhance user experience. This can include animating transitions between screens, moving objects, and creating visual effects. 9. Practical examples. Applying knowledge through hands-on projects such as building simple games, calculators, to-do lists, and other practical application. 10. Deployment. Packaging and distributing the app for users. This may involve creating executable files for different operating systems and deploying apps to platforms like Google Play Store or Apple App Store for mobile apps. By leveraging Python's libraries and tools, developers can create a wide range of applications from simple desktop app to complex mobile application efficiently and effectively. So now as you know about what the GUI is and what is app development in Python, so we can start off our classes. Well, I'm going to show you each and everything you need to know about app development with Python. And we have multiple classes where I'm going to be showing you brief descriptions, theories, and also a couple of examples with algorithms. So make sure not to skip any part of any class in this course, because if you do, you might miss out on something very important and each and every one of the classes is going to complement the other one. So, without any further ado, let's start off our first class of app development with Python.